is in 5 days. Oh my gosh. So good. 4 days. Ay, let's do it. 3 days till regionals. Hi
High
guys.
school in Jakarta. Guys, bawal pa yung post ha. Ano susunod na?
Look at my hair.
Puli ba siya? Kung hindi naman puli siya, no, babe?
Pwede na yung ibang
2 days till regionals.
Ano na? Abi ka Wait lang.
Regional ready.
Come here, come here.
I'm gonna show you something.
Bye. Regionals day 1. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Joy Joy! First night regionals, malagkit.
Wala pa ako. Okay, dapat tao.
I'm gonna marry her anyway. Marry that girl.
This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Teach me how to duck. 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 The art. The artist.
Pakak ang eyeliner. Now that it's over, you blame it all. Baby, Hi guys, so this is regionals day.
Kill myself. Kill myself.
Strangle me. Oh,
Shoes from Matmat. Guys, it's so hot, like literally so hot. The parade is about to start and it's so freaking hot. I cannot anymore. I'm gonna take you on my little journey because it's very hot. I really don't like this type of weather. Tapos ginapasuok pa kami ka warmer. Just colored.
The host delegation is led by the Schools Division Superintendent Nick Castro, Korea Special 6, Mexican Schools Division Superintendent. Sweet city, sweet people, current.
Hi vlog! Paulit kami! Hi guys! So, we're eating lunch. This is the post game.
Post game of against Barota, Iloilo Province.
Right here we have Bini. Mika. Hindi siya Mika. Kasi... Coach, hi ka sa vlog.
Sino mic mo?
Hi sa vlog.
Hi.
Wala na. Hindi ka na... May ganon. Day 1 of this. It's been 1 hour. Hi vlog. Third day of the games. And look. I'm so tired. Mat.
Last day of Viva 2026! Last G na lang ni Gwen! Oh, last G na lang ni Gwen! What you gonna do with all that jump inside the trunk? I'ma get you to come, get you love off my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump. At for the season. Nakitakot nga.
What a blessing. Thank you, tita. Thank you. Go. Hi guys, we're done. Napang wall dance na kami di kwarta.